Spruce up your home, workshop, and garage with the ultra-portable electric wet-dry vacuum from Sunjo. Full-size shop vacs are cumbersome, so Sunjo created a compact vac that's just the right size for minor messes and spills around the house, in the car, anywhere in need of a quick clean. There's no need for two tools when one does it all. Equipped with a powerful 7-amp motor, SWD2500 makes quick work out of any mess, wet or dry. And with 3.5 horsepower of pure cleaning power, SWD2500 comes equipped with an easy empty 2.6-gallon tank, ideal for quick cleanups, leaks, and spills. With the handy suite of tools and the reusable washable filter, you'll have the right tool to suit any cleaning task. Use the floor brush to tidy up a spill in the laundry room, the crevice brush to clean up debris in between tight spaces, or the dust brush to clean out the car. Lightweight at only 8 pounds, SWD2500 comes equipped with roller wheels and an easy carry handle for maximum mobility. And every SWD2500 comes backed by Sunjo's complete 2-year warranty. So keep your home clean and tidy with the one tool for multiple messes. SWD2500 Ultra Portable Electric Wet Dry Vac from Sunjo. Get equipped.